In this lesson, you will create multiple paragraphs of wrapping text by importing some filler text into the mtext command. You will then proceed to edit the block of text so it flows into 2 columns, and then you will adjust it so that it fits within a rectangle. Open the text3 project file, and then use the mtext command, which is located here on this flyout. It's the first item, multi-line text. Multi-line text works very differently than single-line text. With multi-line text, you need to specify 2 opposite corners of a rectangle, which is an estimate for the size of the text object that you plan to write. I'll click here and here on this rectangle. I'll zoom in and show you that I can go ahead and write some text. But instead of writing multiple paragraphs of text, it will be much faster if I import a text file into this editor. So I'll just highlight this and press the Delete key. Then I'll right-click and choose Import Text from this context menu. Choose Lorem Ipsum. This is the name of a standard Latin text, which is used by graphic designers as filler text. I'll just zoom out, and you can see that this text goes a little bit beyond the rectangle. I'll click Close Text Editor. Now let's say we want to get that text to fit inside this rectangle. Click it, and you'll see some grips appear. Use this grip to change the column height. I'll move it up slightly, and click. Because it won't fit, AutoCAD automatically creates an additional column. Then, you can use this grip to change the column widths. I'll pull this to the left and click right about here. Now we have 2 columns. The text automatically flows and fills the space. Over here we can change where this ends if we want by pulling it up slightly, so we can equalize the height of the columns. I'll press Escape to deselect. Now, let me show you how you can edit mtext. Simply double-click on it to edit it. You can then zoom in here, highlight a particular word or even a particular letter, and apply different formatting to the selection. You can come up here and change the color, for example. Let's make that red. This is not something that's possible with single-line text. We have much finer control here, and you'll find typical word processing features in these panels. Let's say that we want to apply numbers to all of these paragraphs of text. I'll zoom out and select all of this text by making a crossing window that selects it. Notice that I'm doing this within the editor, in the editing mode. Then I'll go up here and choose Bullets and Numbering, Numbered. It automatically indents the text and applies numbers. Now let's see if we can make the text fit in the rectangle. Click Close Text Editor, select it to activate the grips, and then move this down so we have a little bit more room on the left. There we go. It all fits. Press Escape to deselect. So you've learned how to create and import multi-line text, how to format it into multiple columns, and how to use grips to adjust the width and length of the mtext object.